Okay, my husband very expensive. This is the most expensive husband in this world.
No, he's not.
He got it from his mother. Did you know how much is this, guys?
Too much.
Too much love will kill you. Oh, see, there's a balot pa. Oh my God. So let us see. Not only one, but 1, 2, 3 over there.
Yeah, I have to go get the other one.
This is already your birthday gift, anniversary gift, Christmas gift for this 2025, okay? I'm paid.
This is just for the anniversary.
This is my anniversary, that's too much.
What?
Yeah.
No, it ain't. Oh, so you saying I'm cheap? Huh?
You are expensive.
No. I'm not that expensive.
Where we're going to put again this thing, the speaker. There's a lot of
That one can go in there.
speaker anywhere over there. He really love. I don't know. He always said that he
That
wanted
over there will go
speakers.
in the garage. 'Cause
wow.
they don't make them no more. They're outdated. That's why we had to go with this. Oh, sorry, babe.
What to do? You already unboxed 3 speakers. It's already
We'll just gotta go get them.
the other. Happy Lakay? Are you happy?
We'll see.
It's already set up. Over there, the other one. Connect to the phone.
Yeah.
Oh wow. You can adjust all of it.
It adjusts automatically.
Automatically all.
The speakers, yeah.
Oh wow. Oh, that's cool. What's that? Chuk 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 chuk. Is that chuk 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 chuk?
That was it. Testing that speaker.
What is that? What is that? What is that, Jasper? I think over there. Chuk, 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 chuk. And just arrived. Wait a minute. Where's the boxes? And you already put the other one? Only one, loves? Where's the other one?
Right there, in the box.
Oh, that's the box.
We need to unplug the other one.
Ah,
So I'm going to put this one away.
alright.
And put that on the back. We'll have to plug it in over there. But
We will put it over there and
yeah,
over
we got to
there.
figure out how we're going to put it. But
Okay.
then I just need the other
Looks
one.
like an extendable.
No,
That's it?
that's it. Right there.
Really?
Yeah.
Not enough until your height?
No, you don't want it.
Maybe
that
there
high.
is.
No,
Ah.
that's it.
Oh, kasi tag-unboxing. Oh, this is the easiest unboxing. Very fast. 1, 2, 3, go! Ta-da! Diba? Bye! Thank you for watching. Hindi na. Mother, your son is very expensive. I will return. Oh, he's all yours. He's very expensive. I will return him na, mother. Okay?
You can't. There's no return.
No return?
No return policy.
Pinana.
See?